I don't want to stay night all the time. I need some night, but I also need me some daytime. Come on, don't go to sleep on this. Because at nighttime, I really sometimes think about the thing that I'm going to do in the daytime. Sometimes I plan at night what I'm going to do the next day. And if it stay night, I can never follow through on my plan. Y'all do that too, don't you? Most of you talk all night about what you're going to do tomorrow. So it is with the rain and the sunshine. You need some rain so you can appreciate the sunshine in every life. In every life, some rain must fall. Ain't no question about it. In every life, rain will fall. In every possibility, in every life, trouble is going to come. Stormy wind is going to blow. In every life, enemies are going to show up. In every life, you're going to have some setbacks. Every life going to have some disappointment. And every life is going to have some failure. Every life is going to have some mental pains and some mental breakdowns. Is there anybody here who know or sometime their life can dish out some cruel treatment? That sometime it look like life have offered you a bad deal. But I thank God for Jesus that he said, even though in every life some rain will fall, I've already worked it out, and I've already fixed it. Yes, and you know that I thank God today that in this life that we call our lives, yes, even though in every life, in some rain is going to fall. My God have already, he've already made a way, and he will make everything all right. My God, I used to hear my mother a long time ago, when my mother would say, she would say, in every life, some rain is going to fall. But she said to us, honey, behind every dark cloud, she said, there is a silver lining. And I don't know about you today, but I need some rain and I need some sunshine. Every now and then trouble make me get closer to the Lord. And every now and then when enemies get close behind me, y'all know what I do. I tell God, I just tell God, I said, Father, I can't do it all by myself. Won't he do it? Is there anybody here tonight who know God? He sure will make a way. Is there anybody who ever had rain in your life? Have you ever had some problems that you know you couldn't solve? If you ever had some burden that only God can lift for you, didn't he make a way for you? Have you ever been in a storm in your experience and you didn't know how you were going to make it? You went down on your knees and you told God, you said, Father, I lift my hand to thee. No other help I know. Shake a neighbor's hand and say, neighbor, don't worry about the storm in your life. Tell them God sure will make a way somehow. Don't worry when trouble come your way. Oh, don't worry when the storm of life is raging, because I know God. I think I just preached in the house for a minute. I said, I know a God who is able tonight. He can make a difference in your life. Won't he do it? Anybody know he'll do it? If you know he'll do it, say yes. If you know he'll do it, wave your hand and say yes. Say yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? I'm not worried about my storm. Weeping may endure but a night, but joy, help me say joy, joy, oh, joy will come in the morning. Won't he do it? Yeah, won't he do it? Won't he do it? Won't he do it? Shake a neighbor's hand and say, hold on a little while longer. Tell him to hold on. 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 Tell him help is on the way. Help is on the way. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Ain't he able? Ain't God able? Do you know he able? Anybody know he able? Has he ever done anything for you? Has he ever picked you up? Turn your life around? Yes, Lord. Yes! Yes! Yes, Lord! Oh, yes! Yeah, Lord. Can't nobody do me like Jesus. Can't nobody hold me like Jesus. Can't nobody rock me like Jesus. Oh, yeah. Ain't he all right? Ain't he all right? Ain't he all right? Has he been good to you? If he been good, say yes. If he been good, say thank you, Jesus. Say thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Say thank you, Jesus. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. And he able. Let the rain come. Come what may. Whatever come my way. I got Jesus in my life. Oh, I got Jesus. Oh, I got Jesus. I got Jesus.